Developed by Toyota GAZOO Racing engineers in cooperation with Toyota Motor Europe and German transmission supplier ZF, the GR Supra's manual transmission was built with components designed specifically to suit the power and torque characteristics of its 3-liter 382 horsepower straight-six engine. Refined handling across all GR Supra models with new steering and suspension tuning and new hairpin plus function on A91 models. In 2021, the GR team increased the 3-liter Supra to 382 horsepower and 367 pounds-foot of torque and introduced a turbocharged 4-cylinder GR Supra with 255 horsepower and a stout 295 pounds-foot of torque. While the car and its performance have received high praise worldwide from media and fans alike, inevitably, the question of whether a manual gearbox would be available persisted. Now that it's official, the addition of a manual transmission option to the Supra lineup means Toyota will offer all three of its US GR models with a stick, which is standard on the GR Corolla and available as an option on GR86.